My friends, yes. What a strange riddle object. Hello my friends, do you have any plans for this evening? But I have for this field. I will search in this field some coins, some silver coins, I hope. Okay, at the beginning I'm ready to go detecting, to treasure hunt in this very rich place. And the first my finding today is this bottle cap. Well, this brick is a good sign, potentially good place. But I know that it's a good place. After 10 minutes of searching, the first not very bad signal. 86, 87. Oh, it's here. 88. Round signal. Yes. It's interesting. What is this coin? Green coin. Oh, it's a polkopeyki on a half copy of USSR. Yes, I clean it with water. The very nice half a copy of 1922. Okay, great find. It was a very bad signal, 50, but it was a bell, small bell, but now it's just a piece of bell. And this finding, I don't know what is it, my friends, but it's not a simple piece of copper or brass. What is it? I think it's the first riddle of our detection. A teaspoon, very hard bent. There is no spoon. The bad news, my friends, that I am not the first at this field, but the good news is this signal. The signal was 79, but it is something interesting, huh? Yes, I think it's a coin. Oh, imprinted. Oh, seems I know what is it. Oh, I think it's a silver. Yes, it is silver solidus of Queen Christine, I think. Yeah, or maybe her father. It's 17th century. Okay, I love that coin. Yes. Great find. Such metal detecting takes a lot of time, but the next signal is yellow coin. Yes, it's a one Soviet kopek of 1938. I think it's a good condition. Maybe it was a coin, maybe not. Oh, it seems a lock. I decided to leave the surprise for other metal detectors. So what is it? Don't know. Cars on highway. Now I'm digging. What do you see? I think it's coin. Yes, it's second silver coin. Yes, very nice coin. So I've got a signal 1992. Not bad. It's here. Oh, what is it? Yeah. Oh. What is it? Maybe it's not a coin. It's a very strange puzzle. I think, however, it's a coin. But what it was, I don't know for now. We'll check at home. These are my footprints, and they are not mine. And here is a good signal, my friends. Right near the footprint. 92, 93. Wait. Oh. It's here. It's not. Oh. Oh, it's coin. Oh. It's an empire, my friends. Yes, it's one kopek of 1901 of the Tsar Nicholas II, the late Russian Empire. Did you ever find a coin in somebody's footprint? It's evening, my friends, but it's a signal. It was very similar to bottle cap 75, 77. But no, it's not a bottle cap, it's not a pull tab. What is it? Wow, my friends, what do you see? Oh. I see the king. Yeah, that's a king. My friends, yes, it's a hammered coin. Yes. Whoa. I think it's Трояк or 3 gross of Sigismund Waza. Rzeczpospolita Polska. Wow. Yes. Nice coin. Very nice. My friends, yes, this coin is a great find. You see this, somebody's big feet, my footprints, yes, also my footprints. There was a silver coin. Here also very similar signal was, but it's a coin. I think it's exactly will be. Oh, it's a coin. It's a Soviet 5 kopecks, I think. Yes, it's a 5 Soviet kopecks of 1949, but sorry, it's in a very bad condition. And the next signal after 5 minutes, it was 75. Here's the coin. Oh. Here we got the 3 kopecks, the former USSR. It's 1935. The condition is not very good. So next find, I think it's a copper solid, so-called Baratinka. Well, it's very dark and everybody go home except me. I'm going for the next place. That red light is the moon. Look at these finds. Oh, we got 11 coins, including 3 silver coins, and some riddles. If you like it, please subscribe. Oh my gosh, he's totally drunk. Hope he's not my subscriber. This is not the end, my beautiful friend. It's a new place. And the first signal, my friends, is 97. Good signal. Oh, what's this? Such a strong signal. Oh. Oh. Ё-моё, what is it? Oh, wow. This is the medal, my friends. Such a beautiful medal. It's a medal of the USSR. 70 years of the army of the USSR. Yes. It's not in for nothing. I came here at the night. Unbelievable. The next riddle, my friends. What is it? I don't know. Maybe this is a part of the rocket engine. Eh? What do you think?